For many, the first sign of spring is spotting a bumblebee. On sunny days, you can see them out and about, taking advantage of the early spring flowers. But bees are not just pretty pollinators. Recent research has shown that they can use tools and even learn from each other to solve problems, just like humans. At London's Queen Mary University, a team of scientists have designed a remarkable experiment. Dr. Ollie Lucola has been putting bumblebees through their paces. So, Ollie, what is this experiment supposed to show?
So we already know that bees are really smart. They can navigate in complex environments. So in this experiment, we wanted to know whether bumblebees can learn to manipulate artificial objects.
These blue discs, posing as flowers, have an irresistible sugary solution in their centre. The problem for the bees is that they are covered by a sheet of glass. The bees must find a way to reach the treat. Look at that. It's actually pulling the string in order to get that flower out from under the glass, and thus a reward. First time. How long did it take the bees to learn this trick?
So not all the bees learn this without any demonstration. Only 2 bees out of 110 solved the task without...
Genius bees. Very few bees worked out this problem by themselves. But once one bee had mastered the trick, the team found it wasn't long before the whole colony had learned it too. The bees were learning by watching each other. Now that's not something that she would experience naturally in the wild. It's not a... I mean, you don't find strings hanging off flowers.
Not exactly, but they need to pull flower parts in the nature. This is not totally unnatural for the bees.
Tugging or pulling are manoeuvres a bee might use when foraging. But Ollie and his team wanted to see if the bees could learn to do something they would never do in the wild. The task is to roll a small ball into the circle in the centre. Once the ball is in the goal, Ollie releases a sugary solution into the hole as a reward. This unnatural behaviour wasn't something the bees could work out on their own. So the team sent in a coach, a dummy bee, to train them up and show them what they had to do to get the treat. So it's a completely new thing that bumblebees would never, ever have experienced.
Exactly. Bumblebees don't play football in the nature.
Well, shall I release a bee? Let's see how they do.
Okay, let's see.
Well, she's on the ball, all right. Wee bit of a struggle there. But she's getting there, getting warmer. Oh, going the wrong way. Oops. Come on. She's trying. No, come on. There's no reward. You've got to get the ball. Get the ball. This time. Yes! Fantastic.
Goal.
That is... Well, that is unbelievable. Back of the net. And with practice, the bees mastered the fancy footwork. This might look like a game, but it is in fact the very first evidence of insects learning to use artificial objects to solve a problem. These brilliant insects are rewriting science and providing insights into the evolution of social learning.